Alright guys, I'm coming to you with this video from my storage unit in the rain. This is my third storage unit, my largest one, 10 by 25 in size. I'm going to show you what's inside right now, what I've been hoarding. I have two other bins, 10 by 20s. This is my 10 by 25. This is how it looks as of right now. You probably can't tell too well, but there's a quad back there. Yeah, you can't tell too well. But this is how it looks as of right now. And I don't know, yeah, you probably can't see way in the back. It's 25 feet in the back. I have loads and loads and loads of stuff to sell. From Christmas blow molds, to bicycles, to police lights. As you can see right in front of me, tools, a couple generators, some PA equipment, JBL speakers. You can see the Halloween blow molds. There's a drum set in the back. All sorts of stuff for your garden, nutcrackers, power tools, brand new ink cartridges. These are model trains up in the front. You probably can't see them that well. A little bit. Collectible glass mugs, shelves, old books. A hodgepodge of different things. Like I said, tools. In here there's jewelry. Not much, but a couple bucks worth at the flea market. Automotive stuff. Fishing and tackle. I gotta come over here and reorganize this again. On a day it's not raining and crappy out. I'm just showing you guys what I'm into. I guess I'll see you guys on the next video, whenever that'll be.